All right, in this video, we're going to work on the if statement. So I want to have an input. So let's say that I'm comparing salaries of different companies that are offering me jobs. So we're looking at an hourly wage, and we'll say that, I want at least $20 an hour. $20 an hour is kind of borderline for me. Anything less than 20, I'm not going to take it. Anything more than 20, yeah, I will go ahead and accept the first offer that's above 20. All right, so we're going to have an input, which means we need a variable. So I'm going to call it wage equals. Now, since salaries can have decimals in there, since hourly wages, you can get $14.50 or $14.75, or I want to make this float. I'm going to have input. Use quotation marks. Okay, what's the hourly wage? That's what I want to know. All right, so I'm going to say if the wage is less than $20. Now here I'm going to put a colon at the end. So now everything I type below this will be indented and will be part of that if statement. Okay, so I've got my indentation there. I want to print. Now let's capitalize that. No way. All right, so let's run our code here. Let's say put in $15. No way. All right. Now in Python, we can put in as many if statements as we want. Back up. So I'm going to say if the wage equals, and remember for equal in Python, we have to use two equal signs. So let's say if it equals 20, now I'm going to put my colon there. So it's going to indent for me. So this is going to, whatever's below this, we'll go with this if statement. So I'm going to print let's say maybe. I want to put in one more if statement. If the wage is greater than 20, then I'm going to put my colon in there. We'll print. I'll take it. All right. So now if I run the code, let's say we put in $18.50. That's close to our $20, but no way. Somebody else comes along, they offer us $20. Oops, sorry, forgot to click run. So run. So I put in 20. Maybe, if I don't get a better offer. But then somebody else comes along and offers us $23.75. I'll take it. And again, eventually we'll get to the else statement, so we can have the if else. But in Python, we can put in as many if statements as we want.